We've seen a lot of small planes, some incredible demos, some great airplanes. But can you imagine doing some of that stuff with a 580,000-pound airlifter? Let's run them up. The Moose is on the loose. Your West Coast C-17 demo team on the departure run with a max effort takeoff. This maneuver will put the airplane 1,000 feet before it gets to the end of the runway. Positive rate, gear up. 1,000 feet before reaching the end of the runway. Into the skies of Illinois. Your C-17 Globemaster 3 strategic airlifter around the world 24/7. The crew for today's demonstration: Major Doc Schumacher, Major Ross Wingington, Captain Dylan Crawford, Technical Sergeant Dylan Newstead, and Technical Sergeant William Jenkins, all from Joint Base Lewis McChord out in Washington State, out there near Seattle. This highly experienced crew has a combined total 14,000 flight hours with 13 deployments in support of combat and humanitarian missions throughout the world. The C-17, affectionately known as the Moose, was most recently responsible for airlifting the majority of over 120,000 evacuees from Afghanistan during Operation Allies Refuge. In addition to their combat deployments, this crew has a combined total of 10 missions to Antarctica with 2 airdrops at the South Pole. Talk about cold. In support of Operation Deep Freeze and the National Science Foundation's Antarctica mission. The crew chief supporting today's demo: Senior Master Sergeant David Nugent and Airman First Class Carlos Kemp. We've seen what the small planes can do. Now we're going to see what the big plane can do. The C-17 made its first flight in